Hey designers, today I'm going to show you how to start a bullet from any number. To do this, just create a frame first, F, a random frame, and type T on your keyboard and type the text box. Previous, like, this is awesome, this is very good, you are doing a trying. Okay, let's auto auto hide this. Okay, first we need to give the bullets for every sentence. To give the bullets, we need to click on the three dots which is on the text properties, and then you can see a numbering here. Just click the numbers. Okay, so this number you want to start, let's say you want to start from 6. Just keep the cursor here and delete this one, type 6 and a dot, give a space. Ta-da! Done. Here you go. Thank you. Bye.